Don't really know where to start with this one, but if you remember, sometime back towards the end of July, beginning of August, I put out a video about a top Forex robot and could it make me any money. I was going to turn that into a series of videos to show you my progress. Now, a few of you have asked how that's been going, so this really is me chasing that up and sort of giving you a summary of what has gone on. And this could possibly be the shortest video I'm going to ever produce on YouTube, because basically the question was, could it make me any money? And did it? Well, it made me absolutely nothing. It didn't make me a penny, didn't lose me a penny, other than the costs of buying the software. And why was that? I just could not get it to work. Now, toing and froing with their support services got me really nowhere. I tried and tried. I used all the default settings, all the strategies they advertised on their site that worked very well. Tried to change it myself. Thought I had the skills and ability to, set this sort of thing up, but obviously I haven't. So I'm not sure who's wrong. It may be me being really stupid, or something in the software that's not compatible. Fortunately, the support isn't as deep as that for these sort of problems. Easy to fix small things, and I know I've made my mistakes in the setup, which I've corrected, and with all my experience I hope I'd be able to get it up and running, and it really has got me nowhere. So the lesson I've learned is actually, well, maybe I should really stick to what I know best, and that is building my own strategies and my own trading, and not be sort of brought into the hype of these bots, especially if you can't get under the hood, because it makes it very difficult to fix. Now, Forex Fury could be a great bot and still looks like it has great potential, and I'm not going to be able to find out because I just can't get it to work. So that's not to say it's good or bad. I suppose the results are inconclusive, and I'm probably going to give it another go, see if I can scratch my head and get this thing to work, because I'd like to see it working and what it could produce. So it's score time then for Forex Fury robot, and I've used 7 criteria to give it a score. First is the cost. Well, it was reasonably expensive, 1 out of 5. Money made, well, I made nothing, so I can't give it any score whatsoever, 0 out of 5. Installation, quite tricky, quite hard. Took a bit of getting used to, a bit of time, a bit more than the time they specified. 1 out of 5. Customer service, not too bad, but needs to be a lot deeper. 3 out of 5. Flexibility of the product, only 2 out of 5. You've got some control over it, but not a lot. Longevity of the bot, well, because I couldn't get it to work, I can't give it a score. 0 out of 5. And support documentation to help you out along the way, 2 out of 5. It was okay, but in places a bit mixed. So that gives us a grand score of 9 out of 35, which is 26%. If you've got any other ideas out there of sort of the trading bot world, automation world, that you'd like me to have a look at, let me know and I will see what I can do. So really that's it for this video. Sorry to disappoint that I hadn't reported in that I've made my millions. It's not the case through this robot software at the moment. And with that, all I can say is if you like the channel, please help us out by hitting the subscribe button, and if you want to catch up on other videos, don't forget to hit the bell buttons as well, so you'll never miss out. And all that's left for me to say is thanks for watching, good luck with the trading, and I'll see you in the next video.